G. Gonna kick it on the mic. You thought you knew, you think you know just how a conscious being flows and grows into the fantasies and harmonies and memories of ancient times that came to be under the skies within the seas. The infinite eternity of energy that flows with me gives me power you can't see with the naked eye, but try. Cause this is why I came to you, this is why I sing to you, and this is why I bring to you the knowledge in my cries. So take the time to understand and comprehend the vision, man, and take the wisdom from my hand. It's filled with shining light. The sight and might is consciousness, and karma helps you pass the test. With guided flight and deep insight, we resonate the world with light. I am, you are, all the rest. We bless the starry night. Ooh. Just telling it how it is. We gotta like it. Get this show on the road. Here we go again, my friend. Round and round and round again into the future from the past. How much longer will it last before we wake humanity so we can live in harmony, eternally forever free under the starry night? We just might find the alchemy that sets us free from bondage and this slavery. Remove the cloak so we can see and maybe be a better source of harmony. Wonder why you wanna see? Let it go and flow until you grow into infinity. Ooh. It hurts. Love it anyway. Madness has its world locked down, and pound for pound it's underground. Hidden by the master's crown. No one ever makes a sound. It's when they do, it's over, yo. They disappear, your ass, you know it. So the story goes to show perception keeps them in control. They make you see their fantasies, believe in their hypocrisies, and mold the mass reality into the common goal. The sickness spreading like